In this video, we're going to talk about the story of Abdullah ibn Maktoum, a blind companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This story is a reminder that we should always treat everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their social status or physical abilities. Abdullah ibn Maktoum was one of the earliest converts to Islam. He was also the cousin of Khadija bint Khuwaylid, the Prophet's first wife. Despite being blind, Abdullah was a devout Muslim who was always eager to learn more about Islam. One day, the Prophet was speaking to a group of influential Quraysh leaders. Abdullah came up to the Prophet and asked him a question, but the Prophet turned away from him and ignored him. This was because the Prophet was hoping to convert the Quraysh leaders to Islam, and he didn't want to interrupt his conversation with them. However, Allah was not pleased with the Prophet's behavior. He revealed the first 10 verses of Surah Abasa, which rebuked the Prophet for turning away from Abdullah. These verses taught the Prophet that he should treat everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their social status or physical abilities. Surah Abasa translation: He frowned and turned away, because there came to him the blind man. And how can you know that he might become pure? Meaning, he may attain purification and cleanliness in his soul. Or he might receive admonition, and the admonition might profit him. Meaning, he may receive admonition and abstain from the forbidden. As for him who thinks himself self-sufficient, to him you attend. Meaning, you face the rich person so that perhaps he may be guided. What does it matter to you if he will not become pure? Meaning, you are not responsible for him if he does not attain purification. But as for him who came to you running, and is afraid, meaning, he is seeking you and he comes to you so that he may be guided by what you say to him. Of him you are neglectful and divert your attention to another. Meaning, you are too busy. Here Allah commands His messenger to not single anyone out with the warning. Rather, he should equally warn the noble and the weak, the poor and the rich, the master and the slave, the men and the women, the young and the old. Then Allah will guide whomever He chooses to a path that is straight. He has profound wisdom and decisive proof. The Prophet Muhammad is always used to guide people towards Islam. During this incident, he devoted his complete attention to the leaders of Quraysh with the hope of guiding them towards Islam and hence ignored the blind man. After this incident, the Prophet always treated Abdullah with kindness and respect. He would often greet Abdullah with these words of humility: "Welcome unto him on whose account my sustainer has rebuked me." Abdullah ibn Maktoum went on to play an important role in the early days of Islam. He was one of the muezzins in Medina, and he was also responsible for leading the prayers in the Prophet's absence. The story of Abdullah ibn Maktoum is a reminder that we should always treat everyone with kindness and respect. No matter what someone's social status or physical abilities are, they deserve to be treated with dignity and respect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new about the story of Abdullah ibn Maktoum. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.